playing around. I've got my dash cam out of my car, and I can't remember the name of it. It's been a while since I've bought it. Anyway, I'm gonna see what kind of videos I can get tonight and tomorrow morning. Also, I cut the flange off of my winter gloves. I didn't wear these anyway. They were just too bulky. And then there's an insulation packet with foam and plastic that's on the inside. Just ripped it out. You wouldn't believe how air runs through those, and my hands actually stay cool. So I got knuckle protection. I've got leather pad protection, and they stay fairly cool. And that works for me. And then my other safety is the rocket jacket that I bought. And I took the liner out. There's the liner. But it's got a back support on it. And shoulder, elbow, and the mesh. And then it's got some for the rib. But this is just, wind just goes right through that. It is just so cool. It does still get a little warm, but it's rated in 2012, so it's an older rating. Anyway, till the next video.